I am Neeraj. I am from CSE and my roll number is 151000020.
Hi, my name is Vivek and I am from EC branch and my roll number is 1510138.
Hi, I am Deepak from EC branch and my roll number is 15101011.
Hi, I am Abhishek Sharma and I am from CSC branch and my roll number is 15100001.
The project is part of EC 102 coursework, Electronic Device and Circuit, and the course instructor is Dr. Ramesh Vaddi. And all thanks to Dr. Ramesh Vaddi, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Problem identified. The cities nowadays are all crowded with vehicles. So there are parking lots near busy business areas, malls, hospitals, railway station, etc. There is always a problem in reverse cars in the congested parking lots. Even some experienced drivers face difficulties in reversing sedans and many cars in the dim light. Even in traffic jams, there is a chain in the car standing close to each other and moving slowly. So there is a high probability of getting a hit.
We came up with the idea of obstacle sensor which will measure the distance obstacle from it. We will place it at the back of car so while reversing the car, driver can know the exact distance between the car and the wall or any other obstacle, so when an optimum distance is reached, the driver can stop the car without getting hit by the obstacle.
The obstacle sensor will be made on Arduino Uno. There will be a sonar sensor at the car's back which will measure the distance and display it on the LCD screen. It will also give audio alert when the obstacle is too close. Let me give you a brief description about our circuit diagram here. You can see our project here. This is our project. You can see this. So let me explain more about this. This here is the Arduino RG Uno chip. This is the heart of our project here. This is the microcontroller which will control the circuit here. This here is the LCD display. This 16x2 LCD display will be used to display the distance of obstacle and will give alert to the driver whenever the obstacle is close. Here there are LEDs and buzzer which will give audio and visual signal to the driver whenever he is not paying attention. And this here is the ultrasonic sensor. This will be useful for calculating distance from the obstacle from the car.
Let me explain our block diagram in which sonar sensor which is connected with the Arduino microcontroller which gives input to the Arduino microcontroller and it calculates distance between obstacle and car and gives the output to the LCD and also to the buzzer, and LCD display the distance between obstacle and car.
And the components required to make the projects are LCD 16x2 display. Means in LCD we will display the output which is coming from the sensor. And second one is Arduino Uno microcontroller. It is for calculating the distance. And third one is ultrasonic sensor SR04 module. It is calculate distance. It will send a signal to the obstacle and from obstacle it will calculate the distance. And fourth one is LED. From LED we will indicate the obstacle. Obstacle is present or not. And fifth one is breadboard. For connection we require breadboard. And sixth one is connecting wires. For connecting to connect between the LCD and microcontroller we require some connection wires. And last one is DC power supply.
Here I will tell you about the design which we implement in our Arduino system, reverse car parking system. Here this is LCD display which is connected to Arduino board, and this is sound buzzer, and this is ultrasonic sensor which will send signal, and this is battery. Here it is defined how it will be connected in our reverse car parking system.
So let me explain about the circuit. As you can see, this is our project here, and as you can see, this is the Arduino RG Uno, which works similarly like the Arduino Uno. This here is the LCD display 16:2. So now I will tell you about the codes of this program. So here this is our code. This is software which is known as Arduino 1.6.7. This is the version of this, and first we have done is we have included the liquid crystal.h. This is used for our LCD display, And then we have defined LED 13, which is mandatory for because we are using this LED 13 pin, which is the pin number 13 in our Arduino Uno. The next is liquid crystal LCD 12135432. So liquid crystal, since we have included the liquid crystal.h, so liquid crystal LCD, this is we have defined that we will be using LCD for using liquid crystal, and the 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2, these are the pins which will be used in our LCD. Now we have used trigger pin 8 as pin number 8, echo pin as number 9. These trigger pin and these echo pin, these are in our ultrasonic sensor, and we have also defined that max distance will be 400 and minimum range will be 0. So what this will use, instead of using 8, we'll use a trigger pin in our codes, and instead of using 400, we will use max distance, and similarly like this. Now our main code starts from here, void setup. The pin mode LED is output. LED, from we can see the LED has been defined as pin number 13. So pin number 13 will be giving us output. So pin mode, trigger pin will also give us output, and echo pin will give us input. And digital write LED low. So initially our LED will be turned off. Hence we have used LED low. Now the LCD will become and serial. This is used for serial monitor because sometimes our display does not come from our LCD display. So we will use a serial monitor which is there in this Arduino software. Now the LCD print car is in reverse mode, then set cursor mode, and then calculating distance. These are some text which will come in the LCD display at the beginning. Now we'll start a void loop.
बढ़ा बढ़ा
अरे